Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to center product title on product card in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify online store more professional, more user-friendly, without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to scroll down. Here is the product cart section and I wanted to center the product title. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click in this three dot icon, edit code. Then open base.css file. Go to the bottom of this file. Okay. Then make a little bit space and simply add a simple code in here. So I'm going to add this code. Looks here. Cart information, cart heading, tax align center important. Then click save. Now the big question is that how you will get this code snippet. Just check out my video description. You will find the code snippet link from where you can copy the code and paste it on your base.css file. Okay, our asset save it. Now go to my Shopify store and reload. Wow, so simple and easy. In the next tutorials I'll show you how to center the product price in product cart. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.